Hi guys, welcome to Anglia Car Audio. Here we have a 2016 MG3. Just installed KENWOOD's DMX-F920DS. So this comes with a 9-inch HD screen, which is fully adjustable. So you can rotate it up and down, left and right, as well as you need two hands, but there's two clips either side of here, and you can pull them across and then slide it up and down. So it makes it quite handy, like on a vehicle like this. Because you've got your vents and your climate controls, you can get it perfectly to where you need it to be. On here you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if I click into here, if I just go back, you've got your home screen for your CarPlay, and then go back there again. So you've got your compatible apps like phone calls, messaging, podcasts, maps and music. Sorry about the glare. So it's all voice activated for Siri and Hey Google for Android Auto. Come out of here, you've got your digital radio there, you've got your telephone button, so you click that, it takes you straight to your contacts and recent calls. Across there you've got, so here's your other functions, so you've got your mirroring, your FM radio, Bluetooth audio, iPhone, USB, which we've located in the top here, so you can charge your phone or put a USB stick with some music. This also has an HDMI input. So in some vehicles we can add a Amazon Fire Stick. So if we were doing it on this one, we would just locate it in the glove box or up here if you wanted to. Put USB to power the device, and then you can watch your Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Prime, stuff like that. So if I come out of here, on the side here you've got your buttons. So your home button, which will take you here, menu, which I'll show you in a minute, voice, so if you didn't want to say Hey Google or Hey Siri, you would just press that and then say your command, as well as you've got your volume up and down. But we have retained the steering controls here, so you can just do it from there. So if I go into the menu screen, you've got your screen adjustment, display off, camera, so you've got front and rear camera input. So being the HD screen, we could put the Kenwood CMOS 320 rear camera, which is also a front facing camera as well if you wanted to. Which will work really well with this. It also has parking guidelines and you can adjust them, which is great, so when you pop it in reverse it will come up. You've also got your settings there, your DSP equalizer, so a really good unit if you did an upgraded audio system, and then you've got your digital radio. Unit comes with a 3-year warranty, being pro installers for Kenwood. So if you're looking for any aftermarket stereos in the Norfolk area, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram, or come see us at our showroom on Southtown Road, Great Yarmouth.